Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be giving away 20 ounces of silver. Now this is to celebrate my channel hitting 10,000 subscribers, and in terms of cash value it works out around about £600 worth of silver, and that is because there's a lot of premium pieces being given away in today's video. Now I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that entered, and like I said, I'm really looking forward to filming this video and finding out who the lucky winners are. There's 7 winners in total. So let's get cracking and let's spread out the prizes in piles of 7 so we can see what's up for grabs. Now all of the prizes have gone into the giveaway chest. And you can see, we'll start off here. We have got some Andy tattoos to start off the bundles. There should be 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every winner will also receive a Stacker Social sticker. So again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then there'll also be a 365 Days of Silver sticker included with each prize as well. So you can see these are the 7 bundles, and let's make it more exciting and start adding silver to these bundles. Let me just move that camera back a little bit so we can get some more in the shot. There we go. Right, so we've also got a poker chip with each bundle as well. A limited edition tracking poker chip. There was only 100 of these that I had made, and the rest of these will be given out with the GPS tracker rounds over on Silverpunk's website. Now let's get to the exciting stuff. Now we have a GPS tracker rounds. These are the rounds here. They weigh just over 2 ounces, and they were created by Silverpunk and myself. Well, Silverpunk did all the hard work. I just came up with the idea. And these are to commemorate my April Fool's Day prank. And like I said, they weigh just over 2 ounces. They're really nice and chunky. And there are actually 3 of these up for grabs. So we'll put 1 on that pile there. Put 1 on that pile there. And then we'll put another on this pile here. So that's the GPS tracker rounds on the piles. Next we have a 365 Days of Silver 9,000 subscriber giveaway bar. Now this was actually made ready to give away when my channel hit 9,000 subscribers, but due to my April Fool's Day prank, it rocketed past that, and I decided to bundle it up with my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So again, this is another 2 ounces of poured silver, again poured by Silverpunk. Really nice piece, and that will go on this bundle here. Now next we have the 2 1 ounce Britannias. Now these are actually from my YouTube stack, and what I mean by that is the tube of Britannias that I've had pretty much the entirety of my channel since I started it. They've been in many different videos. They're also in the backdrop of my actual channel's logo. So they hold a nice little bit of history. Most of my videos that you would have seen where I'm kind of playing around with silver, playing with silver in the snow, putting silver in water, all different things that I've done with silver. These ones were kind of the stunt silver coins, if you like. So they are going to be added into the giveaway bundles as well. So we'll put 1 there. And we'll put 1 over on here. Now, the star of the show is this 10 ounce bar. And this was hand poured by Backyard Bullion. I believe I got this poured around about when the channel had 5,000 subscribers. And I wanted something to add to my stack, knowing that in the future it was going to be given away. And this is the piece that we came up with. It says 10,000 subscriber giveaway, 3 nines fine silver. And like I said, it's 10 ounces. Hand hammered, hand poured, hand crafted by Backyard Bullion. And it's got some nice large hallmarks along the bottom there. Really, really stunning piece of silver. It's very hard to actually film this because it's so many different light deflecting off all of these different hammered kind of potholes, if you like. It's really hard to get a good shot of this on camera. Doesn't look too bad here because we're in daylight, but when I've tried to film this in the past and take photos, it is quite hard to appreciate the actual beauty of this bar. It's absolutely stunning, and like I said, 10 ounces, really, really heavy. So we'll pop it there, and that is the 7 bundles that we have up for grabs in today's video. So really, really cool, really nice amount of silver being given away. Let's try and get them all in the shot so we can see. 1, 2, let's try and move some of this back a little bit. GPS track around, I can shuffle back. My eagles in water can go back. They've been soaking in there for 14 days now. So they're nice and microchip free, which is always good. It's the best way to have silver, in my opinion, with no microchip in them. Right, there we go. We've got a little bit more room now. Now we're going to do this giveaway in 2 stages. The first stage is we're going to use this YouTube random comment picker to select 7 winners. Once we have 7 names, we're going to write these 7 names on the back of this 365 Days of Silver business card using my APM pen. Then we're going to cut them into strips, fold the strips in half, and we're going to add them to this whiskey glass. And then we're going to pick a name out one by one, and we're going to put them in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in that order that they come out of this glass. So I think that's the fairest way of doing it. So let's get straight into this. I'm actually going to screen record this, so in case it doesn't show up on the screen okay, I can attach it. And let's scroll down here. Right, so we're going to paste the link for the giveaway video there. I'm going to add comment replies. I'm going to filter duplicate users so everyone only gets entered once. I'm going to filter by comments, and that is going to be tracker, spelt like that. Tracker, spelt like that. And tracker, spelt like that. That just covers all bases because everyone spelt it slightly differently. Some people did all capitals, some people did a capital T, and some people did all lowercase. So that will pick up all comments that include the word tracker. If we scroll down, number of winners, we need 7 winners in total. Animation, show random names, 30-second duration, that should be absolutely fine. Get YouTube comments. So you can see there was 167 comments in total that contain the word tracker. Right, good luck everyone. 3, 2, 1, go. Now you won't see your name necessarily on there because it's only going to show a random selection of names. It's just an animation, and I don't think it'll have time to go through all 167 comments. But keep a lookout for your name on there and your comment. Really, really excited to see who wins this. I'm looking forward to filming this video all week. There we go. So these are the winners. So the first winner is Eternal Stacker, and he says tracker, amazing GPS. The next winner is Geek Boy Pete. He says GPS track around, amazing. Happy birthday and congrats on 10K when it happens. The next winner is McClan87. He said, only discovered your channel by accident, but love it. Looking to start stacking this year as an investment for my boys when they're older. I can't see the rest of the comment. Monkey39128, happy birthday again. I think he wrote happy birthday on the last sort of 3 or 4 of my videos. Great to see the channel doing well. Those tracker videos gave you a nice boost. The next one, tried Try Hard Winter Skull. The tracker silver is sick. Then we have Kilroy Was Here. Happy birthday, 365. Happy birthday. Amazing gift you got. Love that hand-poured skull you got. I have not had a chance to try that proper 12 yet. And then the last winner is 5 the Pikmin. That GPS tracker video on April Fools was hilarious. Glad to see this long form content from time to time. So there we go. There are the 7 finalists. Thank you every single person that entered, and congratulations to the 7 winners. I'm actually going to pause the video now while I write everyone's name down on this business card. So you're going to have to bear with me, and then I'll be back in a second. Right, I'm back, and there are the 7 names written down on the back of this business card. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them into strips. There we go. And then we're going to fold each of those strips in half and pop them in this glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Give them a little shake up there, and we're going to pop that back there. And like I said, we're going to pick out one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in that order. So the first winner is Eternal Stacker. Congratulations, you have won a 1 ounce Silver Britannia and that prize bundle there. The second winner is this one here, McClang87. McClang87, congratulations. You have won the 9,000 subscriber 365 bar. 2 ounces that one is. The next winner, number 3, is Kilroy Was Here. Congratulations, you have won a 2 ounce GPS tracker round. The next winner is 5 the Pikmin. You have won another 2 ounce GPS tracker round. The next winner, and this is for the big one, this is a 10 ounce bar. The next winner is Monkey 39128. Congratulations, mate. The 10 ounce bar is yours. Next winner is Geek Boy Pete. You have won another 1 ounce Britannia. And last but not least, we have Try Hard Winter Skull. And you have also won a GPS 2 ounce tracker round. So there we go. That is all 7 winners there. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Massive congratulations to the 7 winners. Really, really appreciate everyone entering. Please do drop me an email. My email is in any of my videos descriptions with your postal address, and I'll get this shipped out to you. It doesn't matter where in the world you're from. I'll cover all postage costs, and I'll get them shipped out as quick as I can. Like I said, thanks very much to everyone that entered. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day. Cheers.